So in the long line there may be some problem for which the sending end voltage will be lower and the receiving end voltage will become higher. So there will be many problems like that. So we can compensate that reactive power in a long line in a two-way. So what are that two-way? The two-way is that by placing series capacitor. So when we will place series capacitor, the voltage drop can be reduced. This is the one way of reducing that problem, and another way is by placing shunt reactor. In that case, the receiving end voltage can be to a safer value. This happens when actually Faraday effect occurs. In Faraday effect, we know that the receiving end voltage becomes higher than the sending end voltage. So in that case, we place shunt capacitor at the receiving end voltage, so that the receiving end voltage comes to a safer value. So this is the two way to compensate the reactive power compensating reactive power in long line. By placing a series capacitor, by placing a shunt reactor. Placing a series capacitor will help us to reduce the voltage drop at the receiving end, and by placing a shunt reactor will help us to limit the value of receiving end voltage to a safer value.